guys, this is Saturday morning. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago. You can see my face is still swollen. I'm filming a productive weekend vlog. Yesterday, which was Friday, I filmed a video that is going up on Sunday. I think that's a clothing haul. I didn't do much. That was just it, just filming and some little work. So today is Saturday. For me, on Saturdays are like days I don't stress myself in waking up. Like I just wake up naturally. Anytime I wake up, I don't wake up with an alarm or anything. I woke up by I think 9, and I think I have a lot to do today. For me, Saturday is like cleaning up day, so I have to clean, I have to wash and all that. So I'm going to take you through my weekend. So enjoy the video. So guys, when I wake up most mornings, I take lemon and ginger. Most of the time I boil it. Like I boil it in a large quantity and just warm it up and take. But the one I boiled finished yesterday morning and I didn't boil another one. So today I'll just make a small one for myself. So let's go and make my lemon and ginger. So I take that before I take tea or anything. So guys, while I wait for the water to get boiled, I want to clear up my kitchen sink and wash the dishes. So guys, we're done with the dishes. So let's make our lemon and ginger drink. So guys, I've made the ginger and lemon water to allow it to cool off a bit because the water is very hot, and by then I'll take it. So while I wait for it, my room is scattered, so let me arrange my room. Like I said, it's Saturday, so it's clean up day. So guys, this is how my room looks like. We need some rearranging. My clothes. So I'll just do a quick arranging so that I can sweep and mop. So let's get into cleaning. Very sharp. So guys, bed area done. Dresser and my table next. Okay, so guys, I went to pick up my clothes from the laundry yesterday, and I've not sorted them out. So that's what I want to do. I will do it with my sister because our clothes are here, so she'll sort out her own clothes while I sort out my own clothes. So. So guys, my lemon and ginger water is a bit cold, so I can take it now. We still have cleaning to do, so I have to sweep, mop, then wash my toilet and my bedroom,
before I even start today's work, because I have work to do. I have to start editing my video for tomorrow. So I have to do all of this now. Like, my sister is actually going to help out, so it's going to make it easier. So maybe she'll be sweeping and mopping while I do the bathroom and toilet, so that it will be faster for us. So that's how our Saturdays go on here. So let's go. So guys, like I said, my sister would be cleaning and mopping while I go to the bedroom. So let me pick up. So this is what I use. I use this and one other one, hypo. So guys, I'm the one cleaning the toilet and bedroom. It's not that bad because I wash it twice a week. I broke this mirror when I was trying to film one day. I have to replace it, but for now, it's not a priority for me. I'm done with cleaning, guys. You can see I'm sweating. To clean is not easy, oh. It's not at all. So since I'm already sweating, I just have to shower soon. So time to shower, guys. I'm really really sweating. So see you guys later. So guys, I after washing the toilet, I came back and Rose is still sweeping. She has switched to our normal broom. When she's done, we'll take out the trash and mop. So guys, I'm done with having my bath. It's 1 o'clock, and I want to make toast for us to eat. This is our own breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person, so this is the time I can eat. Guys, I'm done with my toast, and I'll be having it with juice. Okay, so guys, I finished eating and I decided to rest a bit, but I want to start work for the day. So I want to edit the video that's going up tomorrow. That will be my a clothing. Sorry, that will be a clothing haul. So make sure you watch it. I'm going to leave it in the card, so make sure you watch it. So I want to go into editing the video. So let's do what we can do. Hi guys, so I've not finished editing. Like you saw when I was editing, I'm almost through. But we want to have dinner. It's already 7. Sorry, I think that's 6:20. So we want to have dinner, and we are preparing to go out. Okay, guys. So I'm ready to head out. Look at how I dressed. I'm wearing a top from the Coffee Pink, leggings, and the shoe the former got for me for my birthday. That's all, and some jewelry. So we're heading out, guys. Guys, good morning. Today is Sunday morning. I couldn't film when I came back from my outing. I was really, really, really tired. So I just slept off, and here we are. Today is Sunday. I don't really have like a lot to do today. So today I have to make my body scrub because I do my own DIY body scrub for bathing. So I have to make my body scrub because I'm always going to have my bath now. Then I have to finish up my editing for my YouTube video. I'm like 90% done. I just want to re-watch it, then upload it on my YouTube. So that video will gain up today, which is a Sunday. So that's what I have to do. Then I'll take my clothes to the laundromat later and just chill. Sundays are my chilling day. Oh, okay. I have to schedule my pins for this coming week for from my blog. So that's what I'm going to do. So today is just a laid back day for me to relax. I just have those few things to do. I just want to relax a bit, then make my body scrub. I think the sugar I use is exhausted, so I have to go to a supermarket that is close by just to get sugar. I have every other thing here. So that's it for today. So I'll still take it through my day. So guys, let's go. So guys, we are done with uploading the YouTube video. So we are done with it. So it's just the thumbnail I was trying to create, and I'm done. So I just want to upload the thumbnail, then I'm done, and I'll schedule it for this evening. So guys, don't forget to go and watch this video. Show me some love, okay? I've made my DIY sugar scrub. This is white sugar and some brown sugar. I had leftover brown sugar, so I just mix it with white sugar. This is my body scrub. I scrub my body 2 times a week. This is what I use. This is for me and my sister. The consistency. I've also been trying to customize it like real good. So I'm preparing lunch. So we're having white rice and stew, turkey stew. So I'm preparing lunch because it's past lunchtime and I'm already very hungry. Guys, lunch is served. I've even eaten the first. We've eaten the first round. This one is second round. We're very hungry. Hi guys, I'm back again. So I've really had a productive day. This is already like past 7. So after having lunch, I went back to working. So I sent my clothes to the laundromat. I also scheduled my pins for this week, and that's that. I've also been trying to schedule my Instagram post for the week and all that. So I'm a bit exhausted. Like I think my brain can't even take it anymore. So I'm relaxing. Like I've done a lot today and I've really achieved it and I'm so happy about it. So I want to have pizza. So I've placed the order and I'm going to pick up. So that's what we're going to have this evening. Thank you.
Which one is not like that? I'm not be teaching you your work, but let me just tell you.
So guys, I'm done eating. I'm just going to have my bath and chill, relax, watch a movie or watch some of my favorite YouTubers, and I'll go to bed. So that's it guys. Like that's it for my weekend. I really had a productive weekend. I'm really happy about it. I was really productive. I got work done and I'm really happy about it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your loved ones, and take good care of yourself. So to my next video guys, bye.